guys, this is me again, May, and in this video, naata sa washing room, kaya nag-wash ko sa akong mga clothes or sa akong mga dirty laundry. Wala pa nag-wash. Hasn't been washed since Tuesday, so I'm doing it now. So there, like it's there. So yeah, it's a unique video, kaya it's not a nature. But anyway, yes, I will show you some clips of this area here. Right now we are in Sogndal. It's in Sogndal Fjord. So later I will show you some clips of those. So actually this is the same place as my last video that I just uploaded. So, but anyway, I will show you some of the nature here again on this vlog because I'm trying to vlog every day as much as possible. All right. So what do you think of this place?
Are you filming me?
What do you think of this place?
It's okay. It's nicer.
Think so? Saman na siya. So daghan kayo ang daming RV or bubil in Norwegian. And that's the mountain there. And that's the fjords there. And kana siya dira, that's their kitchen. And that one is their kitchen.
Yeah.
So here I can show you kung I will show you if okay, these are the garbage here where they are actually sorting. So there's like only for plastics, and you have the bottles where you can get some money if you return those bottles. And yes, another garbage there that is also sorted. So there is a garbage for plastic, paper, and bottles and glass. Yes.
Really? Here. I på norska så det I och E är liksom.
So I'm going to check my wash again if it's done already. It's not done yet. So on this one, it's not for free. You have to pay for this one. So you have to add for this one. You can get a token and then you can just put the token there so you could start the wash. Easy as it is. So, morning siya. So guys, welcome back again. This is me again, May, at your service. We are going to catch some more mackerel because I haven't catch anything yet since we arrived here, and yeah, we'll try to catch some a couple. So my husband had caught 4 already, which we gave to our neighboring tent. And we hope we could catch more. Actually, he caught already and we have it in the freezer here in the camping spot. So, we'll see if I could catch. All right. Yes. Good luck. Ada? Yes, of course. Are you ready?
Okay. Let's go down here. Maybe not throw out there.
Yeah. Okay. How deep is the water here? How? How? Okay. All right.
Out there is probably like 60 meters.
60 meters deep? That's too deep.
Yeah, so you don't need to put it all the way down. I just wait for a little bit. Then you do like this, baby. Pull.
Okay. Okay, I know that. All right, it's my turn.
You want to wait until it comes up again?
Okay, now you
Oh
can.
my god, that was quick!
Maybe it's like. Or maybe after.
I don't think you're hit the bottom if you...
Huh? I think I've hit the bottom.
That's... Do you feel any tugging?
No.
I think you maybe got some weed then. Wait.
Men se sånn! Fisk! Vi ser kommer
I
opp
think I
der.
hit the bottom. You did not tell me.
It is very deep there, so I don't understand how you can hit the bottom. I have never hit the bottom there. Okay, let me do it.
Adrian, don't go here.
Look opp.
Yeah.
Pappa. Pappa, det er ingen fisk. Og du må kaste deg borte.
Yeah.
Pappa, skal du ha kjempe, 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 Pappa, kan vi gå nå?
Nei, Adrian, vi har nettopp kommet hit. Vi har nettopp kommet hit. Mamma skal fiske litt.
Pappa, skal jeg drepe deg med en sånn sparking?
What's going on, baby? What's going on?
Back on the grass.
But there was a fish on?
I don't know. I thought it was a fish. It was like.
One hard push. Okay, let me help you. How's it going, baby? You got a fish? Just a small one? Don't rush, okay?
Why is it like that?
It goes into that one.
I almost lost it again.
This is hard also. Got into the rocks.
So hi guys, this is me again, Honey May. Earlier I was showing you that we are going for fishing, but since I have not gotten any fish, now we have to go in the city to buy a pizza.
Why didn't we get the fish?
It's because my husband is not so good at fishing.
You were fishing.
But yeah, I actually got some fish on the hook, but the thing is, it was, how should I say? It's gone because it ran over something and then
What
yeah.
happened to my best lure? What happened to that one?
Your best lure is just gone now.
Why?
I do not know. It's not my fault. Why are you blaming me? Yeah, so we have to go in the city now, alright? Need to buy food because I did not catch any fish for myself. Yes, come with us a little bit. I'll just show you a little bit in the city there. Okay? Bye. So we are in the city of Sogndal right now. A city that doesn't look like a city.
What do you mean?
Because there's no people walking around. It's just ghost city.
You are dire people.
Where?
2 people right there.
Only 2.
And right there too.
To figure out where it is. Because
Say hi to my vlog. We don't have the fish today, so we have pizza. Because we did not catch anything. So
should not catch fish more often.
yes. That's Adrian. And since we don't have fish, then we have pizza. So guys, we are finished eating our pizza now and we are on our way home. No, it's still windy.
A little bit, but it's not as windy now as it was.
So we got our pizza already. We had eaten our food and now we are going back to our tent. And Adrian will sleep, will brush his teeth and sleep. Am I correct?
A few moments later.
That's a lot. Wow, amazing.
No, wait. 6.
Can I try?
I've been